Good evening. Today is the April 1st, 2025. Today is the first day of the trading day for the financial year 2025-2026. So how you have taken the trade today? Let us see. So today it is means Nifty opened little gap down. Then afterwards it is recovered to the yesterday close. So then we checked in the first 5 minute candle. First 5 minute candle was closed near 23,416. So that means what we selected 23,450 P and 23,450 C. But whereas C side there was no breakout. You can see here no breakout as well as this indicator means first awesome accelerator indicator is supporting, but whereas there is no breakout here. So initially we were trying for the C side only because since it is a gap down, we thought it will go to rebound. So then afterwards, if you see in the then it is going up, it is going more than 23,530. So hence we selected, we changed the strike to 23,500 P. C side, the P side we changed it to 23,500 P. So 23,500 P, if you see this indicator support, we are getting in the around this candle, we are getting the indicator support. So hence what we put below this candle, below this PSAR below. So we entered around 90. We entered immediately. Since it is already 4-5 candle already made red, hence what we did immediately we trialed and exited with 8 point profit. We exited around 82. We exited here. We booked around 8 point. We booked here. So this first trade we booked 8 point, and moreover this is the financial year first trade. That is why we trialed fast and booked some first trade itself. We booked some profit. Here we booked around 8 points. Then afterwards, if you see, then here also we changed the strike to 23,500 C. So C side, if you see the breakout, if you see here, there is a good breakout. So this area you can see here. This area, this is the candle you can see here. This is the area you can see here. Here there is a breakout. Hence what we did actually, if it is indicator, everything is supporting. But whereas PSAR is above the candle, then it is we waited here and then one reversal. There was one reversal candle. Hence we put the stop loss trigger order in the below PSAR. So that got breakout. That got breakout immediately. We trialed as per the system. We entered 77 and exited 47. That is 30 point, 31 with 48. We entered 78 and exited around 47 at around 31 point. Here we booked. But whereas here what we did actually, here we missed this trade. This trade actually we missed. So we here what we did before PSAR we entered here and we came out with around 2-3 point. We came out with 2-3 point because of this move, this green candle move. So we trialed fast and came out with 3 point only. And afterwards we thought this is going, the candle is going in reverse direction. That is why we have not entered this area. But if you have followed the system, definitely you would have captured here 31 point. That is what the second trade. So okay. Then again, if you see third trade, then by the time Nifty has went very below. So if you see here we changed it to 23,250. 23,250. If you see around 11 o'clock, if you see there is a support. 11 o'clock, if you see 11 o'clock 23,250, there is a indicator support. So this is the area indicator support is there. Here we entered. Actually here you can here below 115 we entered. Here entered, and immediately the next candle we put around 124, we put the stop loss which got triggered. Here we lost around 9 point. This is the third trade. Here we entered and exited immediately with a 9 point loss. So that's okay. It's actually by system, based on the system only we entered and which got TSL got hit. So hence here we exited. Next trade also we put, and further there is a continuous downfall. Then we changed it to 23,150 CE. 23,150 CE near 115. If you see 115, there is a clear cut. Here there is a two red bar is there, and here also there is a continuously there is a downfall is there in the AC side. Hence we have put the one for near 140 we entered, and based on the system we exited 135. Here also we booked around 5 point. Booked 5 points. Then 150 C PS at 3 o'clock move. If you see 23,150. 23,150. If you see 3 o'clock, this is 3 o'clock candle. We entered around 78 and trialed, and we exited around 70, near about 70. We exited around 8 point. Here we booked. Here we booked around 8 point. Here we booked. Total, if you see, as per the system, you would have entered around 43 point, in which the major trade, one trade that is 23,500 C, that we missed. Otherwise, you would have made much profit. I can show what I did. I can show here. So you can see this Excel sheet. This is the daily trade log Excel sheet. So these are all the things what I discussed. Based on that, actually there is a 5 trade. Based on the 5 trade, all 5 trades are based on the system trade only, system entry exit only. So which we would have made near about 43 point. So whereas what I really booked, I booked is only 12 point only, because first trade as per the system we entered exited. Second trade, that major 31 point we missed, only 3 point only we could able to capture. Third trade, that minus 9 point, as it is 9 point we lost. And fourth and fifth trade, there is a fast entry and exit. Based on the system, we are not waited. Actually, fifth trade, there is a late entry. That entry which was given this thing. Otherwise, we would have made here one more 3 point. And this also in the 3 o'clock move also around 6 point only I captured actually, but we would have captured around 8 point, we would have captured. So these are all the trade, because out of 48 point today, actually due to the first day, I was not taken much risk today. So here we booked around 12 point today, 12 point, and we came out with 12 point. This is our trade log, daily trade log. Based on that, this A1 entry, A2 entry, A3 entry, A4 entry, A5 entry, everything we formulated. So how to enter A1 entry, how to enter A2 entry, like that we have formulated. This you can, for your reference, you can definitely, whenever you require, you can just, keep it for your reference. So thank you. First day went well. Let us see how this financial. I'll update all the trades month on month. I'll update, and every month how much points we are capturing. That also I'll update, and that also we will compare it based on the system. What is the point? Based on the actual, what is the point? That also we will compare. So every month on month we will compare, and we will follow the system. So let us see how this year will going to move and review continuously. Thank you for watching.